just like Sam Bedford. But what the fuck, nigga?
Overseas chickens, please, I overseas these chickens. As I switch positions. Heard you trying to get work tonight, but you got work tonight. That same excuse won't work tonight. Shit is on you, I ain't tripping. You know why I be hitting at the tip, that's still tipping. Ripping these bones, shit is written in these songs. I'm dripping sweet Sean, sweetheart, just know it. Don't be no restart when I depart these parts, so don't blow it. That's how you talk the talk and won't show it. It's cool, I shouldn't even be getting myself into you. I should get myself in the mood for these into really cancel that. But it's never though, hit the jack, what scenario, hit the Twitter, I'm following back. And in a matter of fact, perhaps she came back, cause I'm running these tracks. You was saying if you wasn't the dude saying the rap, I would've put the key on my act that fast. I'm like, I ain't even act that fast. Put my hands where the titty is, you ain't even act fast, idiot. No serious, niggas don't know about this fast and ditty shit. Let me tell you what it really is.
Nah, I'ma tell you what it really was. It was like 30 somethings in a hotel room overseas. You know, fly shit. I'm a stand-up guy, could you tell by my stand still down to earth like a meteorite crash? Was never really getting luck, so this might be just by chance. I might die this time if we let this pass. I just can't. One glance, we get close. I see more than the past. Curve every play you're trying to hit what I picture in the flash. Hold it. Beauty is what you pose as when you hitting them poses. You be getting me focused.